So I opened the cupboard and you know what was in there?
Yeah. What was in there?
Some Oreos. You know what kind they were?
What kind?
You know, the black and orange ones?
The maple kind.
Black and yellow ones.
Yeah, the maple kind.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
And you know what I did with them?
Hey.
What?
I
Hey,
took them. What?
what are we doing?
We're making a video. I took the Oreos.
Yeah.
Then I gave them to Emily.
Oh my god.
And then I went in the meat drawer.
Yeah. What was in there?
Some meatloaf.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ew.
Oh, some bacon.
Yeah? What'd you put on it? Covered it in what?
I covered it in cat food.
Oh,
You guys know
okay.
what I did with it?